Hello viewers and friends. Today I am going to teach you Uttva Sandhi. It is the part of NCERT Sanskrit grammar part. So before teaching this Uttva Sandhi, you have to know one formula. It is called Rosh. Rosh. Don't forget this formula. Means this NCERT grammar, Sanskrit grammar having the Vyanjan part 1 Sandhi and Visarga Sandhi part. Only that much question will come Sandhi Sandhi which is according your syllabus. Keep in your mind. So this Rosh means Visarga Sandhi. There one Sandhi is there that is called Uttva Sandhi, Ratva Sandhi and Sattva Sandhi. So this formula you don't forget Rosh. In Ratva Sandhi, little I am writing little in distancing manner. Ra, O, Sha. So Ratva Sandhi, that when Sandhi it will be done, that time Ra will take the place. In Uttva Sandhi, Okar will take the place. And Sattva Sandhi, Sha will take the place. Sha means here Talvesha, Murdhanasha, Dantasha. Okay, means this is called Talvesha, Murdhanasha and Dantasha. These three will take the place. Okay, so this formula. So today I am teaching to you this one, Ratva Sandhi. Sorry, Uttva Sandhi. Means we have to see how the Okar is taking the place when we are doing the Sandhi. So before teaching, I have to say you that please, if you yet didn't subscribe my channel, please must do it. So whatever the new video I will make or upload, it will be brought into your notification so you can enjoy my class. So Uttva Sandhi having the two rule. This is the first rule. Okay. The first rule what they are telling, if A is before Visargaha, please try to understand. If A is before Visargaha, A is before Visargaha, please follow it. Before Visargaha. A is before Visargaha and followed by A, and next followed by A means this one. This one followed by A. Means up followed by means always I used to say after this plus right side. If it will come the A along with Visargaha becomes O. So along what they are telling, by A the former A along with Visargaha. Okay. So this along with Visarga means this A. Okay. Again you try to understand what they are telling. If A is before Visarga, so before Visarga A is there and followed by A. Followed by means after plus if A will come. Then they are telling the former A means which one before. This is called former A along with Visarga, including this Visarga totally A Visarga. Okay, becomes O means if this O will convert it into the O means Okar O, and subsequent O becomes Avagraha, and this O and this O will become the, that's why I put here arrow mark, this O will become the Avagraha. Now always this is the short form, means A plus A it will come, then this A will convert it into or change into Okar, and this A will change into the Avagraha. Okay. For time being you try to understand. Suppose I am telling Purushaha Asti. Now just you break this Purushaha. This Shaha you just break. Suppose you break this Shaha. What will be there? Sha plus A and visarga. Correct? So this that's why they're telling if is before visarga, if will come, before visarga, if will come, and so here came, already came here. I broken here and shown to you. I made the design here, and afterwards it's telling and followed by this place always the okay. Then what they're telling, this visarga, this suppose shah you will break, then what this one came so it will be converted into the okar, this okar, and this will converted into the avagraha. So that's why here you see okar and avagraha. Try to understand here okar, there avagraha. So purushaha plus asti. So before shaha, means visarga, what is there? Is there. If you sha will break, sha, this is called murdana sha. So murdana sha if you will break, so murdana sha means half plus means is included with the murdana sha. Like this. Okay. So aha. So before plus is there, including visarga So this will convert it into the okar like this, and this followed by will convert it into the avagraha. This one. Avagraha, this one. Okar here, converted into okar, and converted into the So that's why purusha plus asti, purusho asti. Here you see kaha. If kaha word will break, or if suppose you will disjoin, what will come? Suppose kaha. Ka is there. If you will break or if you will disjoin, what will come? Ka halant means half. This is the halant means symbol of half. Plus and visarga. Correct? No? So it means before plus what is there? This visarga is there. And afterwards plus what is there? Followed by So this converted into the okar, and this will convert into the avagraha. So that's why kaha plus ayam is equal to ko. See the fully visarga converted into the okar and converted into the avagraha. So ko ayam. Next, just always keep in mind this short formula. Always I am writing this short formula. Don't forget that one. Inside the Manjushha I wrote here that one. Now again you come here a shaha plus api. If you saha, suppose you will break, what will come? Half sa plus and avagraha. Sorry, visarga. Correct. Shaha. So sa if you will break, what will come? Sa visarga if you will break, what will come in? Saha half sa plus aha. Okay. Then after that, what is there? Is there. So followed by So this totally will convert it into the okar, and this one will convert it into the avagraha. So that's why a saha plus api. So before plus here is there and here is there. So converted into the okar, and this converted into the avagraha. So okar and avagraha. That's why a saha plus api, a so api. Clear? So this is your Utto Sandhi rule number 1. Another rule is there. Just 1 second. Let me complete. Now rule number 2. Rule number 2. Rule number 2. What rule number 2 is telling? Rule number 2 is telling if rule number 2 is telling what they are telling, if there is before visarga, before Visarga. This is the symbol of Visarga. Okay. Before Visarga and after the third, fourth and fifth description of any class or if there is anyone of these characters ya. What are the characters? Ya, ra, la, wa, ha. The visarga becomes O. Please keep in mind, whatever I will be teaching here, you must note down in your note copy. Otherwise, you can't understand. And afterwards, what we'll do, you must just start your this video and keep your note copy with you and tally it. Then you can understand easily. Afterwards, you do the practice. So what they are telling, if there is a before visarga, try to understand. If there is a before visarga, a short form, a before visarga, there is a before visarga. So this is the before visarga. What is there? A. And after the third, fourth, and fifth. Third, fourth, and fifth. Description of any class. Any class means what? Description of any class means what? I told you several times. Ku, chu, tu, pu. Okay. So what is there? Ka, kha, ga, gha, ya. Okay. There cha, cha, ja, ja, gya. Ta, ta, da, da, murdana. Ta, ta, da, da, dantana. Pa, pa, pa. So that is third, fourth, and fifth. Means this third, fourth, and fifth. This is the third, fourth, and fifth. This is called third, fourth, and fifth. Means ga, gha, ya. Then ja, jha, gya. Da, dha, murdana. Da, dha, dantana. Then ba, bha, ma. Only this line. Third, fourth, and fifth. Means ga, ga, ya. Okay. And fifth, description of class. These are the called class. Ku, class, chu, class, tu, class, tu, class. These are the class. Okay. Or, again is telling, or if there is any one of the characters, yara, la, wa, wa. Means after plus, either 3, 4, fifth means what? Ga, gha, ya. Ja, jha, gya. Da, dha, murdana. Da, dha, dantana. Ba, bha, ma. Okay. So 3, 4, 5. Or what they are telling? They are telling, or this side means after plus, either 3 or 4 or 5th of the classes, or ya, ra, la, wa, or ha. If any of one, any one of the characters, after plus this side, the visarga become O. only this visarga, it will be converted into the okar. Okay, these things don't forget. This visarga will convert it into the okar. So you just a short form, you should not forget what I told. If there is a before visargas, see, before visarga, okay, before visarga, if a comes, and afterwards what they are telling, 3, 4th, 5th, or ya, ra, la, wa, and ha. Anything come, then what they are telling? They are telling it will be this visarga will convert it into the okar. Okay, it will be converted into the okar. Okay, it will be converted into the okar. Now for a time being, you see some example. You try to understand. Example. Okay, suppose you are telling devaha plus gachati. This example you will must note down. Without example you can't understand. Devaha. If this vaha, suppose I will be breaking here. Okay, suppose this vaha, if I will break, so what will be there? Vaha, suppose I am breaking here. Vaha. So vaha will break, what will come? Va plus aha. Correct? This is the vaha. So this vaha will convert it into the okar. So here before they are telling definition, before visarga, if a comes. Okay, if before visarga, suppose a comes, then what will be there? So that's why devaha plus gachati is equal to, and already visarga sandhi, you know the visarga won't come. So devo gachati. Okay, so see this visarga gone, disappear, and okar came. Another example also you can see. Another example you see. Suppose manaha plus haraha. So if suppose na if will break, what will come? Na if will break, what will come? Na plus a. So before visarga what is there? A is there. Okay. Afterwards what is there? That this one also you try to understand. Afterwards what they are telling? If 3, 4, 5 here, this place, 3, 4, 5, or ya, ra, la, wa, ha. Here ha came. See here ha. This ha came from here. Anything after plus this thing, such as 3, 4, 5. I told to you already before. I told to you 3, 4, 5 means what? The of any class, like a suppose ka class means ku class. What will come? Ga, gha, ya. Like this. So any class 3, 4 means 3 letters or 4 letters or 5 letters of this class. Or ya, ra, la, wa. See here ha came. Here also ha came. So manaha, na if you break, na plus a. Okay. So a visarga ha. So what will be there? Then they are telling it will become this visarga ha. This visarga will convert it into the okar. So mana plus haro. So ma visarga will convert it into the okar. So manoharaha. Clear? Another one more example you can say also. Suppose I am telling Ramaha plus Jayati. Ramaha plus Jayati. So if you will break, what will be there? Ma plus ah visarga. So before visarga a came. So this visarga will convert it into the okar. Correct? So okar. So here and afterwards what is there? After plus what is there? That link 3, 4, 5. After plus, what is there? 3, 4, 5, or you are all over her. So here what is there? Jaw is there. Jaw is which come, suppose Chuberg. You go to the Chuberg. Chuberg, what will come in? Chaw, chaw, jaw, jaw, yeah. Okay. So this is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 5th. Correct? This is the 3, this is the 4, this is the 4. What came here? Jaw. Here what came here? Jaw. So this is the 3 one. Okay. So after plus, what came? Jaw came, means 3 1. Chubarga cha cha, jaw. So what will do? This visarga will convert it into the okar. So Ramaha, so Ramo, Rama plus Jayati is equal to what will do? Ra, visarga will convert it into the okar, Ramo, Jayati, like this. So hope you understood everything. Nothing is there. You have to keep always short form. You read and try to understand, and note copy. You must note down again and again. Now you go through the question bank, or suppose your textbook, or any guidebook, or grammar book. You see, and mainly I am very much hungry of the marks. Clear? I don't know anything. It's my clear statement. I don't know anything. I need the mark. Uttar Sandhi, they will ask only these 2 rules. Okay. First rule already I taught to you. That is A. And afterwards what is that? If A will come, then A will convert into the Okar and Abagraha, like this I taught to you. And next one, Uttar Sandhi, second rule is there. A Visarga will convert into the Okar. So they will not ask beyond that. These things you keep in your mind. That is for your encouragement, children. You don't worry about that. They will, in question, they will ask to you only the Vyanjan Sandhi and Visarga Sandhi. Vyanjan Sandhi, only these 4 part. What I told you, Mohaneshwar, Tugagama, then Prathamakchar, Titya Varne Parivartanam, Panchavakchar, like this I taught to you. And Visarga, under the Visarga Sandhi already, earlier I taught to you. And apart from this, Uttar Sandhi, Ratta Sandhi, and Sattva Sandhi. Under Uttar Sandhi, these 2 rules are there. Just I taught to you. So slowly try to understand, but note down everything in your note copy. Thank you. In next video, we will meet together again. Okay, in next class. Thank you.